you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for watching the video. So into this video we're gonna use or swap or I don't know, change the fuel door or another black fuel door so it can match with the side scoops. If you want to know how to do the side scoops, make sure you watch the previous video. It's an easy do-it-yourself thing. Now you only need one tool for the fuel door. I'm just showing the other side scoop. So you just need like a screwdriver. Of course, you gotta swap the bits. Don't mind my trunk is dirty. Also, we got racing seat belts. You wanna know how to put them on? They're pretty cheap. Make sure you watch the next video. I guess I'm not too sure. Put this on the side. So, like I said, you need a T20. Yep, that's the right T20. Okay, go ahead and take it out. So you got the T20, of course. Only thing you gotta take out is the two screws. Do this with one hand, holding the camera with one hand, doing the job with the other one. Now this comes out pretty easily. You just gotta play with it a little bit. If you want to make it easy, you can remove the gas cap. There you go. As easy as that. One in. Oh, let me take out the screws from this one. Let me get my Gorilla Pod. Oh, I need some tints. So I don't know what happened to my camera. Somehow I changed the mode. I didn't record the whole thing. I'm sorry. But like I said, you got the T20. You take it out. You line it up. Make sure it's the right way. This is basically the right way. The screws facing to the left, I guess. And that's pretty much it. You know, you play around with it. Now that I have this, looks much more aggressive with the black details. Clear coat. Lost the center half, I guess. I don't know. I know it needs a wash. Obviously, that's why I'm at a car wash. So I'm really not a professional. Oh, no, mind my hand. I shaved my head bald like weeks ago. So, but if you want more content, let me know. I'm not an expert. I don't know what I'm doing most of the time, but we could learn together. Obviously, I could do one thing, a few. That's pretty much it. Plans for this build are basically not to go too crazy with it. Since it's a V6, I'm not gonna spend thousands of dollars just to get the same power or almost a similar amount of power I could get with a V8. So I'm just gonna do like some fun build and then just of course upgrade to something better.